How to redeem code on Temu. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily redeem any kind of redeem code on Temu. So the first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and go to temu.com, or if you have the app, just open up the application. Once you're inside the app or the website, just make sure that you are logged into your account. And if you're on the app, you'll find the U section at the bottom center of your screen. Just head over to the U tab. But if you're on the website, you can tap on the profile icon right at the top. Then a pop-up will appear where you have an option for coupons and offers. And if you're on the app, you'll find the coupons and offers on the U section. Just head over there. Then you'll have an option to enter the unused codes. So go ahead and enter your coupon code. Once you've entered it, just make sure that this is valid and then click on apply. And if this is valid, it will apply the coupon code on your checkouts, or if you want discounts. Even sometimes you can use the codes for to get the items for free. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.